The UK Maths Challenge is a national competition. Actually, I think it's international. You can enter it from other countries. It's been going for many years, right back into the 90s when I was at school. I remember doing it myself. It's normally only aimed at high ability pupils who find maths more straightforward, who are in the higher sets. And it's a mixture of difficult questions that are meant to test your real deep understanding of the subject. We had lots of bronze awards, silver awards, and a couple of gold awards as well from Year 11 pupils. Our top sets took it, and I was very pleased with how they embraced the challenge.
So the UK Maths Challenge is I'd say it's a very hard thing, considering you're not really taught about it in your school. So when it comes to doing it, it's very challenging, but because it's so hard, I found it very fun and exciting.
I'm actually really good about it. I mean, it's a really nice thing to have achieved. And it was actually really interesting taking part in it because it kind of gives lots of variety of problems to solve and all of that. So
yeah, so on the GCSE, you teach the course and you can begin to explain to pupils how questions tend to be structured. So look out for this, watch out for that. If they ask this, they normally mean this. On this, you can't. It's a complete random group of questions put together by some very clever people to really test, do these people really understand what's going on? You can't really revise for it, you can't know what's coming, you just have to sit down and have a go at some difficult questions. The other interesting aspect to it is there's negative marking. So if you're not sure about the answer to a question, then you have to leave it blank, because if you get it wrong, they'll take marks off you, which is unheard of in any kind of GCSE or A-level exam.
It's not set to a syllabus, so it's very hard to sort of revise for it, and therefore it can be hard to predict these questions. So it's a wide variety of things, and because it's not a syllabus, you have to apply knowledge to it.
you have different kind of skill sets that you can apply to each one, and every problem's going to be different, and you can approach it from a different angle, and it's good having lots of people around you that like it because they give a different viewpoint on something. So it's really interesting and you'll never get bored really.
So I got a gold, and I think the top 10% get a gold maybe. So yeah, I'm very happy I got it.
It was really great to get the gold in the UK Maths Challenge, and I didn't really expect it at first because I thought I didn't do that well in it, honestly.
One of the things I love about entering pupils for it most is that this has been going on for many years, as I said, and I did it myself back in the 90s, and I can remember in 1999 taking it and getting a silver award. So it was really nice to be able to tell my class that the pupils who got a gold award are better at maths than me and have gone on and have achieved more than I achieved when I was their age. That's a really nice thing to be able to explain to them.
I enjoy the problem solving aspect of maths because it just allows me to apply my knowledge over a vast area of topics, and each of them is very different to the next topic, so it really works in my brain.
It's really interesting, and everyone in the maths department's really passionate about it.
I really like the teaching and the pace, because normally some teachers speed through the course and then you don't really know everything, but you learn it all very well and very thoroughly and in detail, so it's really helped me a lot.